Welcome to the 32 Days of Disney Family YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, like and share this video, and hit that subscribe button. Good morning. Today we're going to make the chocolate peanut butter banana French toast from Disneyland. So we're going to start by dicing the bread into 1-inch cubes. Mom. Next we're going to slice the bananas. So in this bowl we have the bread and the bananas, and the recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of chocolate chip, but we like a little extra. So now we're gonna mix it a bit. I got banana stuck. So we're cracking in 6 eggs. So now we're gonna whisk it together a little. Okay, so we're gonna pour all our ingredients that we've mostly measured out into the blender, starting with the eggs. Now we're going to put in the peanut butter. Sorry, we had some technical difficulties with the measuring cup. Next, we're going to pour in the chocolate milk. And then we're gonna put in the salt. Just a little bit. I have that in. This is gonna be fun. Okay. Then we're going to put in the cinnamon. Then we blend it together. We're going to pour the bread, banana, and chocolate chip mixture into the bottom of our pan. Then we're going to pour our egg mixture on top. Okay, so we're going to put this in at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so it just came out of the oven. Okay, so we're going to drizzle on some chocolate syrup. And sprinkle on some powdered sugar.
We're super excited. Here we are at the Disneyland Resort getting our banana peanut butter French toast. Yum.
Thank you.
How about you?
I haven't been.
That's really good.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and share the video with all your friends, as well as make sure to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our awesome videos. Follow along on Facebook at 32 Days of Disney Family or on Twitter at 32 Days of Disney. And those of you looking for your own magical vacation, check out Canadian Mouse Trips, our partner travel agency. They can help everybody, not just Canadians, all our friends in the US and the UK too. Have a magical day.